Miss Markets by Pearl. I will unbox a parcel that my dad bought from Shopee because I really want this. I was envying it from my classmate. So let's open it, guys. Are you ready? Let's go. So guys, we only bought this for like 130 pesos. Okay. Okay. Now let's open this. Ay, bukos na pala. There we go. Oh my god, man. This. Are you guys ready?
Wow. Skateboard.
Oh my god, tatlo!
Meron naman dati, diba?
I didn't know it was only one, but it was tatlo. Oh my god. So guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Bye-bye. Ganda ito!